Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. Your company needs to analyze large volumes of streaming data from connected devices to gain real-time insights and respond to trends quickly. The solution should be highly scalable and capable of handling uneven data loads while being cost-effective. Which Google Cloud service should you use? A. Store the data in Firestore for real-time processing and easy scalability. B. Deploy the application on Cloud Run to auto-scale and pay only for the compute seconds used. C. Use Cloud Dataflow to process streaming data in real time. D. Implement a relational database on Cloud SQL with vertical scaling to manage workload spikes. Correct answer. Use Cloud Dataflow to process streaming data in real time. Explanation. Cloud Dataflow is designed to process large volumes of data in real time, which is scalable and cost-effective for streaming workloads. Cloud SQL is a relational database and may not scale rapidly enough for uneven high-volume streaming data. Cloud Run is a computing platform for containerized apps and is not specifically geared towards streaming data analysis. Firestore is a NoSQL database for mobile, web, and server development, but does not specialize in analyzing streaming data. Keywords: analyze large volumes, handling and processing extensive datasets. Streaming data, continuous data flow, typically updated in real time. Real-time insights, immediate analysis and interpretation of data as it's received. Respond to trends quickly, ability to rapidly adapt to changes or patterns in data. Highly scalable, capability to increase capacity to handle growing data needs. Handling uneven data loads, effectively managing variable data input rates. Cost-effective. Solution should be efficient in terms of cost for the value it provides. Subscribe and follow us.